The Commission on Higher Education Region 12, through the leadership of the OIC Office of the Director 4, Ms. Jocelyn C. Santosaldes, in partnership with all the higher education institutions in Region 12, HEIs from Cotabato Province, HEIs from Cotabato City, HEIs from General Santos City, HEIs from Coronadal City, HEIs from South Cotabato Province, HEIs from Tacurong City, HEIs from Sultan Kudarat Province, HEIs from Sarangani Province, and HEIs from Kidapawan City. proudly presents the Chad Region 12's 2020 Asian Celebration Kickoff and Launching Ceremony. Cohesive and responsive Asian. May we request everyone to take a moment of silence for the opening prayer by the Holy Trinity College of General Santos City, to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Mi dito langit, tayo kasing digami, gusam sa gingami, dinduanin. Boy, paladigu, batang dito langit. Mi dito langit, tayo kasing digami, gusam sa gingami, dinduanin. Bong paladigu, duatang italangin.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
pursuant to the Proclamation Number 282, dated July 31, 2020, declaring August as the ASEAN Month. The Commission on Higher Education, through its regional offices, are annually conducting its various activities to commemorate and celebrate this momentous occasion. The ASEAN 53rd celebration is embedded with the theme Cohesive and Responsive ASEAN, with the chairmanship of Vietnam as the host country. Just like the 10 member states of ASEAN, this regional office upholds the strengthening of partnership with higher education institutions for the dynamic development of the entire community and to promote political and economic cooperation and regional stability.
The year 2020 marks ASEAN's 5 years of community building, halfway to Vision 2025, a community of peace, prosperity, and sustainability. Vietnam has the honor to be the chair of ASEAN in 2020. We endeavor to further strengthen ASEAN unity and solidarity, regional integration and connectivity, promote ASEAN commonalities and awareness, deepen ASEAN engagement with the global community, and enhance ASEAN institutional capacity. We underline the importance of promoting ASEAN proactiveness and creativity in response to the rapid changes in the global landscape, non-traditional challenges, and the Industrial Revolution 4.0. Vietnam wishes to bring to ASEAN and partners its charming beauty and warm hospitality. Welcome to Vietnam. ASEAN 2020, cohesive and responsive. Think community, act community.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you CHED Region 12 employees. We are ASEAN, ASEAN at 53.
Xin chào from the host country Vietnam. We are ASEAN, ASEAN at 53.
Chu Mripsu from Cambodia. We are ASEAN, ASEAN at 53.
Slamat Pagi from Indonesia. We are ASEAN, ASEAN at 53.
Mingalaba Kinba from Myanmar. We are ASEAN, ASEAN at 53.
Selamat pagi from Brunei. We are ASEAN, ASEAN at 53.
Sabaydi from Laos. We are ASEAN, ASEAN at 53.
Apu Kabar from Malaysia. We are ASEAN, ASEAN at 53. Mabuhay! Pilipinas! We are ASEAN, ASEAN at 53.
Sawadika from Thailand. We are ASEAN, ASEAN at 53.
Ni hao from Singapore. We are ASEAN, ASEAN at 53.
Raise our flag high, sky high, and rest the pride in our heart. ASEAN, we are born as one. Look in our word to the world. For peace now go from the very start, and for prosperity to last. We dare to dream, we dare to share together for ASEAN. We dare to dream, we dare to share from the spirit of ASEAN.
Kumusta? Ako si Darren Espanto, batang Pilipino, batang ASEAN. Parang mga miyembro ng iisang pamilya kung saan may kani-kanyang katangian ang bawat isa. Tayong mga ASEAN citizen ay iba-iba. Pero lahat tayo ay nagkakaisa sa pagbuo ng isang komunidad na makatao at mapagkalinga. May respeto at pangunawa sa kani-kanyang kultura. Nagpapahalaga sa sipag at talino ng bawat isa at nagtutulungan sa oras ng pangangailangan. Yan ang ASEAN mindset, ang diwa ng samahan ng isang caring at sharing na ASEAN community. Kaya laging tandaan, think ASEAN, feel ASEAN. Kamusta? Ako si Darren Espanto, batang Pilipino, batang ASEAN. Halika at alamin natin kung paano nagsimula ang Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Ang ASEAN ay nabuo mula sa ASEAN Declaration na naglalaman ng mga layunin at kahalagahan ng ating samahan. Pinirmahan ito ng 5 foreign minister mula sa 5 bansa sa Southeast Asia na sina Adam Malik ng Indonesia, Narciso Ramos ng Pilipinas, Tun Abdul Razak ng Malaysia, S. Rajaratnam ng Singapore, at Tanat Koman ng Thailand. Noong January 7, 1984, naging miyembro ng ASEAN ang Brunei Darussalam na sinundan ng Vietnam noong July 28, 1995, Lao PDR at Myanmar noong July 23, 1997, at ang huli ay ang Cambodia noong April 30, 1999. Ito ang bumubuo sa tinatawag na 10 member states of ASEAN. 10 bansa, iisang hangarin. Ang pagtibayin ng ating samahan sa ASEAN bilang isang pamilyang nagtutulungan at nagmamahalan. Kaya, think ASEAN, feel ASEAN. Kamusta? Ako si Darren Espanto, Batang Pilipino, Batang ASEAN. Bilang kabataang Pilipino, kasama tayo sa mas malaking samahan ng Association of Southeast Asian Nations o ASEAN, isang community of nations na unang pinangarap sa ASEAN Declaration noong 1967 at nabuo noong 2015. At bilang isang komunidad, tayo ay may iisang pangarap para sa kinabukasan, ang ASEAN Community Vision 2025. Ito ang susundin natin sa pagbuo ng isang rules-based, people-oriented, at people-centered ASEAN community. Kasama dito ang mga blueprint para palakasin ang 3 pillar ng ASEAN. At siyang magiging gabay natin para sa isang maunlad, masaya, at payapang rehiyon. Kaya laging tandaan, think ASEAN, feel ASEAN. Kamusta? Ako si Darren Espanto, Batang Pilipino, Batang ASEAN. Bilang kabataan, alam mo ba na alaga ng ASEAN ang iyong mga karapatan? Sa ilalim ng ASEAN Commission on the Promotion and Protection of the Rights of Women and Children, nagsisikap ang ASEAN na mabigyan tayo ng proteksyon laban sa pang-aabuso, panganib at karahasan. Makapag-aral, mag-enjoy sa pagkabata, at mangarap. Mabuhay ng payapa, magkaroon ng sapat na pagkain at masiglang katawan, makapagpahayag ng sariling opinyon at makisali sa mga usaping ASEAN. Dahil tayong kinabukasan, walang kapantay na pagpapahalaga ang binibigay ng ASEAN sa ating mga kabataan. Kaya laging tandaan, think ASEAN, feel ASEAN. Kamusta? Ako si Darren Espanto, Batang Pilipino, Batang ASEAN. Alam niyo ba na ang ASEAN community ay parang isang bahay? Sinusuportahan ito ng 3 haligi na kung tawagin ay ASEAN Pillars. Ang unang pillar ay ang ASEAN Political Security Community. Sinisiguro nito na tayong mga batang ASEAN ay namumuhay sa isang komunidad na mapayapa. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit nabuo ang mga ASEAN Agreements at Declarations na nagpapanatili ng kaayusan sa ating rehiyon at magandang relasyon nating mga ASEAN citizen. Dahil dito, naproproteksyonan ng ating mga karapatan at teritoryo. Naiintindihan natin ang halaga ng mapayapang ugnayan para maiwasan ang mga alitan. Nakasisiguro tayo na ang bawat isa ay nabubuhay ng masaya at malaya. Dahil ang ASEAN ay ating tahanan, mahalin natin to at alagaan. Kaya, think ASEAN, feel ASEAN. Kamusta? Ako si Darren Espanto, Batang Pilipino, Batang ASEAN. Alam niyo ba na ang ASEAN community ay parang isang bahay? Sinusuportahan ito ng 3 haligi na kung tawagin ay ASEAN Pillars. Ang ikalawang pillar ay ang ASEAN Economic Community. Layunin nitong mapaganda ang ekonomiya ng buong ASEAN region sa pagpapakilala dito bilang isang magandang lokasyon para sa kalakalan at negosyo. Magbubukas ito ng mga oportunidad at trabaho para sa mga mamamayan at malaya tayong makakabisita sa 10 member states ng ASEAN. Gaganda ang turismo at aangat ang buhay ng bawat tao. Maginhawa at mas maayos na buhay. Yan ang gusto ng ASEAN para sa ating lahat. Kaya, think ASEAN, feel ASEAN. Kamusta? Ako si Darren Espanto, Batang Pilipino, Batang ASEAN. Alam niyo ba na ang ASEAN community ay parang isang bahay? Sinusuportahan ito ng 3 haligi na kung tawagin ay ASEAN Pillars. Ang ikatlong pillar ay ang ASEAN Social Cultural Community. Layunin nitong ipakilala ang ASEAN bilang isang rehiyon na nakasentro sa mga mamamayan at para malaman natin na kahit tayo ay may pagkakaiba, tayo pa rin ay iisa. Gaya ng ating pagtulong sa oras ng sakuna, ang pagmamahal natin sa ating pamilya at paggalang sa nakatatanda, ang mga pista at mga pagdiriwang, pagkahilig natin sa sining, sports, musika at iba pa. Ilan lamang yan sa ating mga pagkakatulad na nagbubuklod sa atin bilang isang pamilyang ASEAN. Kaya, think ASEAN, feel ASEAN.
fellow public servants in the Commission on Higher Education, to the higher education institutions of this region, to all our stakeholders, ladies and gentlemen, isang magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Our presence in today's event is a manifestation of our support to the imbued goals of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations community to bring closer in harmony its 10 member states, Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, Brunei, Laos, Myanmar, Cambodia, and of course, the Philippines. This is aimed towards building a sustainable community through embodying the shared vision of aspiring a prosperous region. Cohesive and responsive ASEAN, this year's founding anniversary is centered on how we envision continuity, especially in the education sector amidst the current pandemic we are facing. This is the best time that we express our solidarity and proactiveness that despite of the circumstances we'll be facing, we will still attain our vision to promote ASEAN partnership in the global community. It is also ideal that we recognize the central purpose of establishing the collaboration to achieve one vision, one identity, one community, a principle affixed within the 3 pillars of community building, the political security area, the economic area, and the socio-cultural area. Thus, it is necessary that we as well should live by the principle to set aside our personal goals and offer all-out efforts to attain our Commission's goals, to catalyze a Philippine higher education that is locally responsive and globally competitive. How do we achieve such? Just like the 10 member states personifying the different cultures, different religion, different system of government, and different traditions, we also here have our own differences. But what made them united? It is through respecting those differences and focusing on how to help each other in transforming diverse beliefs into a collaborative and cohesive input. This is as well the key towards productivity. Ladies and gentlemen, this event today is not just merely about hoisting the ASEAN flags. This day depicts a deeper meaning of reconnecting wider opportunities that is law-based, people-centered, and of course, people-oriented towards nation building. With that, sama-sama nating itaguyod ang ating nasimulan tungo sa tagumpay na ating inaasam. Muli, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Happy 53rd ASEAN Celebration. We are ASEAN, ASEAN at 50. Ladies and gentlemen, I am officially opening the CHED Region 12 2020 ASEAN Celebration.
We are ASEAN, ASEAN at 53.